Clear the clutter before moving by arranging donation pickups so unwanted items are removed on your timeline and do not slow down your move. Start by creating an inventory of everything you plan to donate and sort items into clear categories such as clothing, furniture, kitchenware, books, and electronics. For large items, measure dimensions and note conditions so charities know if items are suitable for pickup and to avoid last-minute refusals. Schedule charity pickups at least 2 weeks ahead and confirm the pickup window the day before. If a charity cannot collect, have a backup plan to drop items at a donation center with their hours. For electronics, remove personal data, factory reset devices when possible, and recycle items that charities will not accept through a municipal e-waste program. Pack donations separately on moving day using labeled boxes and breathable garment bags for clothing so volunteers can quickly load and you can document what was removed. Request receipts for all donations and take photos of items and pickup locations for your tax records and to reconcile with your moving inventory later. Common mistakes include assuming all charities accept everything, which leads to refusals and wasted time. Avoid this by checking each organization's donation guidelines and noting size and condition requirements. Another issue is not documenting donations properly, which can undermine potential tax deductions and create disputes with movers. Solve this by taking photographs, keeping pickup receipts, and writing short inventory notes with approximate values. Finally, people often leave donations curbside without confirmed pickups and risk items being discarded or scavenged. Prevent that by scheduling confirmed pickups, placing items in a secure spot if possible, or transporting smaller donations to a drop-off center the same day. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to connect contractors with new projects related to moving and property preparation. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we and other members share practical tips on donating, staging, and coordinating pickups to streamline your move.